ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ohun tí Sister Yinka ti sọ yìí ná, ẹ jẹ́ ká wò.
But please, I beg you, please, do not raise fund or pay bandits to secure the release of those people abducted. The risk is extremely high.
Ẹgbẹ́ nǹkan tí Sister Yinka sọ yẹn wípé wọ́n sọ fún VDM pé kó má raise fund, kó má gba donation láti lè gba àwọn tó wà ní ìgbèkùn àwọn bandits sílẹ̀. Ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Ẹ tún wá gbélé iná, ẹ gbélé iná mò ń bọ̀.
They don't listen to our cries since all this while. 15 days now. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká dákẹ́. Níbi tó lọ today, Verydarkman, I'm calling you. Please, open an account. And I open account, I will contribute. I will contribute and I will continue doing the show. People will support. I trust we can do it.
Ṣé ẹ tún gbọ́ nǹkan tí owó ṣe ní náà sọ báyìí? Àǹtí owó ṣe ní ẹ ti gbọ́ nǹkan táwọn náà sọ pé kí Verydarkman kó lọ open account yẹn pé àwọn náà máa support. Àwọn dẹ̀ máa continue show yẹn. Now mo fẹ́ yẹ kí wá farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ fídíò méjèèjì. Mo ní nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ lé lórí o. Ó ní ìbéèrè tí mo máa béèrè lọ́wọ́ àwa ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n. Ká dẹ̀ pàdé ní comment section ká forí korí káwọn náà ká dáhùn ìbéèrè yẹn. Tí Yinka ti sọ báyìí pé kí VDM kó má dánwò, kó má raise fund o fún àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyẹn kí wọ́n lè gbà wọ́n jáde lọ́wọ́ bandits o tíjọba bá kùnà o. Ìdí ẹ̀ tí àǹtí Yinka ti fi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, ohun tí wọ́n rí lọ́bẹ̀ tó ń fi wá rọwọ́, ẹ máa gbọ́ lẹ́nu wọn ṣẹ̀ máa lọ fídíò yẹn. Then àǹtí owó ṣe ní náà àwọn náà tún pariwo pé VDM ó yá open account, àwọn máa support gbogbo akáfọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ pé kí àwọn tó wà ní ọwọ́ bandit kí wọ́n lè jáde. Ìdí táwọn náà fi sọ pé kí VDM kó open account náà, ohun tí wọ́n rí lọ́bẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi wá rọwọ́ tó fi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ẹ tún máa rí nínú fídíò yìí. Nígbà tí ẹ bá gbọ́ méjèèjì tán, ohun tí mo fẹ́ sọ ẹ máa gbọ́, ìbéèrè dẹ̀ ni, so kájọ dáhùn ní comment section. Ẹ ṣé, ó yẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ wọn.
Only Jesus TV.
On my way to the gym, honestly, I would have loved to have a direct conversation with VDM, but I do not have his contact and I don't know how to get his contact. Because we are on the same, course now. I'm talking in terms of the abducted ones. So this message definitely I would expect it will get to VDM. Good morning, VDM. I know you're deeply in love with Nigeria, and I do understand how passionate you are about the safety and the welfare of every single person living within it. I understand if it were possible, you would wish for a magical powers just to turn things around, to restore peace, and to secure the release of every single person abducted. I know your heart. I understand these are the things you would have loved to do. But please, I beg you, please, do not raise fund or pay bandits to secure the release of those people abducted. The risk is extremely high. I cannot really explain. I wish I could elaborate, but just trust my judgment. The risk is very, very high. Do not go that route. Do not take that path. You are just going to further jeopardize the safety of everyone. I just want you to understand that these people, they are everywhere. They are watching. They are seeing. They are monitoring you. They are hearing what we are saying. And I don't think at this point it's the best option. If you do that, abduction will become the business of the day. You know, places that are safe will become dangerous, and communities that have not been visited will be their target, because they now know that abduction equals money. So I know your love for your people is noble, but I just want to plead that raising fund or paying bandits will further mess things up. I want to plead that we continue to scream, shout, talk, cry, call out the government. We'll continue to talk, we'll continue to cry out until they listen to us. Otherwise, raising fund or paying bandits is very, very dangerous. Then everyone would start to sleep without closing their eyes. So please, VDM, I carry your mama head, beg you. I can't carry your papa head, join her. I know say you love people. I know say you want Nigerian to be better. I know you have nothing to lose. I know you're not suffering. I know you're just passionate about people. You're passionate about their suffering, about what people are going through. But please, let's just do it carefully. We do not want to solve one problem today and create 10 more problems. So please, if we do that, if you raise money, these people go kill everyone. No, I beg, VDM. Let's continue to speak. Let's continue to talk to government. Let's continue to show them how we feel that we're not happy, but do not bargain with the bandits. Not at this point. Not when it's everywhere. Not when everyone can see. Sure, okay. Yes, sir. You know, not that. Please. Let's continue to talk. Let's continue to speak to the government. Call them out. Do not bargain with bandits. It's dangerous. I know you truly love your people. The risk is extremely high. I'm not able to expatiate now, but please do not do that. God bless you, my brother. Sheo Mungode Dalu.
Verydarkman, I'm calling you. Please open an account. And I open account. I will contribute. And I will continue doing the show. People. Verydarkman. Just Adetong, Sister Yinka TNT, all Abiamo all over the world. At this point now, I think we need to stand up. They don't listen to our cries since all this while. 15 days now. Amadekadake. Níbi tọ́rọ̀ today, Verydarkman, I'm calling you. Please, open an account. And I open account, I will contribute. And I will continue doing the show. People will support. I trust we can do it. Tabana and do the government lane and do the government lane. This 15 days now. And we'll shoot you also released it on the 27th evening. There are more than 40. Over 40 children and parents are there. Nínú òjò, nínú oòrùn. Just Adetong, Sister Yinka TNT. Àwọn èèyàn pọ̀, but I'm not myself. Me, well, okay. I take medication every day before I can sleep. I do vigil every day. Keep praying. Ọlọ́run gbọ́, kì í ṣe pé Ọlọ́run ò gbọ́, ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ti pọ̀jù, ẹ̀jẹ̀ ti pọ̀jù. So I'm calling Verydarkman. If you know one or two way that if you reach out some people yìí láti mọ iye tó bá fẹ́ gbà, let's contribute. Let's poor support poor. Àwa tá a ní ẹ jẹ́ ká support àwa tá a ní. We are all mekunnus. We are all mekunnus. Mi ma bí ọmọ tó rohun sùn, mi mọ bọ́ wọn tó wà nípò yẹn ṣe ń sùn. With this all our crying on night. Ọlọ́run o, Verydarkman, please, let's do this. I know you can do it. We can do it. I know we can do it. Let's contribute. Let's start contribute. Someone should open an account. I will volunteer myself to do anything. I will volunteer myself. I'm ready to save these children. My show on the platform, they will support. I know my fans will support. Everyone will support. These are mother crying. We are crying. All mothers are crying. 40 children in the forest. And you think parents go.
Mom, Daddy. Mom, Daddy.
Thank you. Imo. This is my fourth night. Praying every night. From 1 to 3:30 every day. Oh Lord. Answer our prayer. Gbodo. All mothers. Verydarkman. Please don't listen to what bad people are saying. If you know what we can do, please let us know. Let's start contributing. Let's start contributing. I will contribute. All mothers will contribute. All parents will contribute. 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 will go a long way. And they can save life on people here. Please.
Ẹ ṣe gbogbo àtàtìjọ wo fídíò yìí a ti gbọ́ máìndì àwọn méjèèjì báyìí sìn Yínká TNT àti Owóṣeni TV a ti gbọ́ máìndì wọn. Now ìbéèrè tèmi wá nìyí, èwo ni ká wá ṣe báyìí sìn? Verydarkman Yínká TNT wọ́n ti call ẹ̀ out báyìí wípé kó má gbìyànjú láti raise fund. Owóṣeni TV òun pariwo pé Verydarkman ó yá open account. Ó yẹ ìyẹn ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n èwo wà ní gan ká wá ṣe. Oníkálùkù dẹ̀ ti sọ ìdí ẹ̀ o. Oníkálùkù ti sọ ìdí ẹ̀ pé tí Verydarkman tó bá open account tó raise fund láti gba àwọn èèyàn yẹn padà tí ìjọba bá kùnà pé ó léwu o. Àwọn bandits wọ́n á ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá mú gẹ́gẹ́ bí Ṣẹ́gun ọlọ́kùnkúndùn pé ewu ńlá gidi ni. Pé ewu ńlá gidi ni pé in fact risk yẹn ewu tó mú lọ́wọ́ gidi gan ni. Pé risk yẹn ní agbára tí Verydarkman tó bá take risk yẹn pé nǹkan tó máa bí wàhálà ńlá gidi ló máa bí sí àwùjọ wa gidi gan. So Yínká TNT sọ yẹn láti lè dá Verydarkman lọ́wọ́ kọ́. Now Owóṣeni TV ìtara bíamọ náà ó mú òun náà débi pé kí wọ́n má bàa pa àwọn èèyàn yẹn pé Verydarkman open account òun náà máa ṣe lórí show àwọn títí tó yẹ pé a máa fi meet up target bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kó má bàa pa àwọn ènìyàn wọ̀nyẹn. Ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí nísìnyí ó ti wá sún sí ni lẹ́nu ó ti buyọ̀ sí báyìí o. Èso ò ṣe é pọ́nlá iyọ̀ ò ṣe é tú dànù ó ti di iṣẹ́ ọba báyìí. Ọba rán ni níṣẹ́ odò ọba bẹ lọ́nà. Iṣẹ́ ọba rèé kò ṣe má jẹ́ odò ọba kò ṣe rọ́ọ̀lù. Kí wàá ní ká wá ṣe? Kí Verydarkman ṣe? Kí ni ká ṣe? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ sí, ẹ jẹ́ ká dá sí. Ẹ bá mi share, ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ viral, ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn rí fídíò tó ṣe pàtàkì báyìí o. Ó ṣe pàtàkì ó ṣe pàtàkì ó ti mú confusion lọ́wọ́ o. Ó ti ń ṣìyàn lọ́nà báyìí. Kí wàá ní ká ṣe ìgbésẹ̀ ò ní ká gbé. Ẹ bá mi share, ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ viral gan. Ẹ jẹ́ káwọn ènìyàn rí kí gbogbo aká contribute ká dá sí ká sọ sí kí ni ká ṣe ẹ ṣe yóò dára fún wa. Àná Ọlọ́run ní fún wa sílẹ̀ a ò ní dààmú àní rí wàhálà o. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì Only Jesus TV. Ẹ wò ìsàlẹ̀ yẹn ẹ máa rí subscribe button yẹn tẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá ti tẹ̀ ó máa gbé notification bell wá. Ẹ tẹ̀ á tètè máa ta wá lólobó tá bá ti ní fídíò tuntun. Ẹ tètè máa bọ́ sójú ọwọ́ yín. Láìpẹ́ á tún padà wá ní àlàáfíà.